Good morning, friends. Welcome to Dr. PM Times. This is Dr. Murugesan. In this episode, I am going to focus on what is called smoke point. We all know cancer is very prevalent nowadays. It is mainly because of our lifestyle changes. We take more of deep fried food, especially Indians, we take more of deep fried food. Deep fried food means oil is heated up repeatedly. The oil reaches a particular temperature, it breaks down, which is called break point. There is a break point for all the oils. Once it goes to the concept of break point, it releases a lot of toxins. Not only break point affects the taste of the food, it also causes harm to the individual because of the release of lot of chemicals. Once the oil is repeatedly heated for repeated frying, it releases a lot of free radicals. It releases a substance called melanodialdehyde. It releases trifluoroacetic acid. All these are supposed to be both atherosclerotic and mutagenetic. Atherosclerotic means it favors deposition of lipids in the vascular wall and development of atherosclerosis, leading to coronary heart disease later. Mutagenic means all these substances that are released, the free radicals, melanodialdehyde, trifluoroacetic acid, when the oil is repeatedly heated up, they are supposed to be carcinogens. They induce cancer. So that is why the Indian type of cooking where we do repeated heating is harmful to the system. That is why we develop cancer more. Every house, in fact, there is one cancer patient. Now, so how to prevent it? Instead of deep frying foods, instead of having more of deep fried snacks, replace it with boiling. Take more of boiled food. Doesn't have these mutagens or atherogens, and it is not harmful, it is gut friendly. And for deep frying, use better coconut oil. Coconut oil is better for deep frying than olive oil. Olive oil, though it is heart healthy, it is only useful for not Indian type of cooking. It is useful for Mediterranean type of cooking where they do more of slaughtering and prepare of sauces, whereas Indian type of cooking requires deep frying. For that, olive oil is not suitable. Avoid deep frying. If not, at least use the proper oil, that is groundnut oil, which is more suited for deep frying, and even desi ghee is suited for deep frying. Don't use vanaspati or hydrogenated oils. Don't use olive oil for deep frying. All these olive oil doesn't hold the repeated increased temperatures. Deep frying cannot be done with olive oil. Vanaspati releases a lot of trans fats and carcinogens when they are deep fried. So, as far as possible, avoid heating oil to temperatures more than 170 degrees centigrade. Cooking processes that require increased heating of oil, especially avoid repeated heating of oil. Avoid more of trans fat producing cooking material methods. Instead, use boiling method of cooking mostly, which is very friendly to both the heart and the gut, prevents the incidence of malignancies. Thank you.